Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fluently Speaking with Morani. I hope you were doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. So today is the day 31 video. So how I am consistent because this is day 31 and today I am going to talking about something so many people are actually struggling with this problem. This is shyness about while you speaking English. Actually, ever been you a situation when you knew the words but you couldn't speak because of your fear, or you didn't have the confidence to speak out loudly? You knew the words, you knew the sentences, but because of confidence, maybe fear, you couldn't speak in front of the people. Maybe you have fear, people laughed at me, people judge me. But first of all, people not watch or not actually give attention to you as much as you think. They are busy in their own life. But sometimes happen that people laugh at it. But if you are trying to speak in English, you are learning and people laughed at you. So it is their problem, not yours, because you are want to learning something. It is their fault. So let them laugh. So please speak. Don't think about those people who don't have the work and they don't try something learning, something doing creative work. They only judge people. It is their work. But what is your work? Your work is learn something and apply it your own life. You learning something. This is the great thing. So don't stop listening to others. And the second mistake, while you are learning English, you wait for the perfection. While I will be perfect, then I will speak English. This is not possible. Because imagine one child learning English. She or he known about grammar. They are making mistake. They are actually mispronounce vocabulary. Then they learn. So why do you wait for perfection? Don't wait for the perfection. Because if you will be silent, it will not help you to speak English. Practice will help you to speak English, not silent. Be silent is the not solution. Perfection will come after practice. Perfection will not come, be silent. And the most important thing is don't be judgmental. People laughed at me, so I will be judgmental. I am not perfect, so I will be judgmental. You are learning, you are a beginner. Every fluent speaker was beginner one day, right? So don't wait for perfection. Please speak. Speak aloud and speak English fluently and effortlessly. That's all for today. Tata. Bye bye. Have a nice day.